All right, Theo's getting his second card order ready here today. He's having some fun here. He liked this card. He's had some fun artwork on the Wiglett. All right, first thing we're putting into a baggie, and it's in a top loader with a penny sleeve. Just gonna slide it in there. Tape the top over, close it up. Then we have the order receipt here folded to go into this envelope here with the window. It's already folded, ready to go. He's going to take a little piece of blue tape to tape the card so it doesn't slide around in the envelope, so it stays to the order sheet there. Then we have, you're gonna put your name on the bottom, right? You're gonna write something. It's a little thank you note that we have here, and it goes to our YouTube channel and our TCG store. Just a little personalization saying who it was packed by Theo. Hold it up. Make sure it doesn't cover the address, so when you put in the envelope, so it should probably be on the other side there. So here, let's do this one, just put it on top of that. And then just slide it all in. Then we'll get a stamp and weigh it, and hopefully it's under 1 ounce, and we'll be good to go and put it in the mailbox here today, or at the post office.
First class forever.
Go all the way?
Yep.
Dad will have to put it